an overlooked gem in Cyprus. Yeah, it is boring, but it's really great because it's easy to read. And you know what? If the contents change and you need to update that, it's easy to do. And it's good to know that the contents changed anyway.
Yes.
E to E, you're testing as a user would. So a user is going to click on the submit button. They're not going to search for the element by its data psi attribute, right?
Hmm.
So so it reads as a user would. So a user could actually read that instruction and follow it essentially.
Yeah.
So yeah.
And you can use regular expression with contains, which is cool, right? You can sort
No.
of create. No, come on. You can create a fallback. Like self-healing test. That's the new fancy
it
thing.
is it is cool. It is cool, but I try to steer clear of regular expressions whenever
You know
possible.
what?
But yeah,
I'll tell you a story about regular expressions, because they're hard to write. People who claim that they're good at them, kudos to you. I wouldn't be able to tell if you're lying or not, but it's like really really complicated. But now with ChatGPT coming out, what you can
yep,
do, and what I did, I think I did this on last stream. Like, even if we have like Stack Overflow and documentations and whatnot, like it's still
yeah,
hard to get an answer. I have this and I want that. How do I get that? Well, with
yeah,
ChatGPT, you can just tell it like, "Hey, here's a string. It looks like this, and I want it to look like that. Can you give me a regular expression?" And it does that like
yeah,
mwah, amazingly. Like, it's like
yeah.
I have written so many regular expression in past month, than probably more than I did than the rest of my life before that. So
Yeah.
yeah. So Roman is asking whether it is possible to use an A/B variant like should contain A or B. And I think not with this assertion. So like if I were to share my screen, and let's just do contains and find that CBA and write an assertion that it should contain. I don't think this is going to take a regular expression, or it does. Well, let's run it. Let's see. So this is like a very dumb assertion. It is passing, but I don't see the assertion here. So I think the assertion doesn't really happen here. Let's do contain text. Yeah, okay, so this doesn't work, right? So this doesn't work with regular expression. Contain text. CBA was blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
But I think what you could do is you could invoke the text and then write a should assertion where you would say it should match.
Match. Yep.
And this way you can use regular expression, and this is going to work. So should contain does not work, but should match should work. But you need to like do a couple of steps, right?